going to make some blueberry jam. Now I'm going to tell you the ingredients. 5 cups of blueberry, 2 cups of sugar, and 2 spoons of lemon syrup. And if you have, you can put some cinnamon powder. If you don't have, you don't need to put it in. And lastly, jars. Let's mix the ingredients. Now first, I'm going to put 2 cups of sugar in. Wow! Oh my! And lemon syrup. And some cinnamon. You can put it in, and you cannot. If you want to, you do not need to put it in. But I'm putting this in. Now I'm going to stir it. Stir, 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 stir. Now, oh, it's boiling. Now we put the fire down. And we stir it. We put the fire like this and stir it 30 minutes. We boiled it for 30 minutes, and now I'm going to put it in a jar. Want to try some blueberry jam, yummy blueberry jam at home, you can do this recipe.